Is working. I just wanted to show you guys, since digital cookie is not going to work for in-person order, and there's many of you that have ordered initial cookies and have them on hand and are comfortable doing contactless delivery, this is the workaround that I came up with. We had a virtual cookie booth last year to get rid of some of our last stock, and it was very successful, so I just copied the document. I replicated it, and I can replicate it for every single individual girl. What I will need to do is have a parent be a manager for your girl's account. So if you want me to make you a girl account like this, I totally can, and then I'll invite you to be a manager. Here's how it works. You'll get in as a manager and rename your virtual booth. It won't be called Amalea, it'll be called Juliet or whatever. Your daughter and you can work on, just like you would in digital cookie, typing out the things that are here. You can even, if you have a YouTube video that you and your daughter have made together, or some type of screen share, she can paste a link in here if she wants to. Then you, whenever you're done editing, you push save. All of your items have already been pre-populated for you from our cookie last year. So all you would have to do is go in and change the quantity you have from your initial order. So you'd just go into the little three buttons and you'd click edit. You would go to advanced settings and type in however many you have available. Push save. And what it'll do is, if you see this, it'll show that clients can order more than one of the cookies as long as you have more than one left. Um, this one down here makes available quantity of visible to the public so that they can see, oh, she only has 4 lemon ups left. I'll just order all 4 of them for 20 bucks. Um, Save item always. Oh, let me show you one more thing in there, because you'll want to see that in the item questions, I have put in a drop down for people to be able to select donate my box or contactless delivery. And if they choose contactless delivery, they will be able to, or they'll be prompted um, to type in their address for you to be able to know where to take the delivery to. I did put in there, it's a question that they have to answer. So I put to enter NA if you're donating a box, because you, as a seller, then will just keep the donated boxes that your clients decide to donate and get them to one of our cookie team members, who at the end of the season will donate them to the senior citizens, the homebound senior citizens from the CSA, senior citizens at Redwood Villa, the seniors at the Veterans Home, or the RV residents with Reach Potential. Then all of them are all pre-populated like this. So that's ready for you to go. It'll automatically go to your daughter's credit, and any payments that we receive via credit card through here will just automatically be put into our Troop account. However, you can choose to set payments up to accept via Venmo or PayPal, and then pay into Troop if you want. You cannot type in the words Venmo or PayPal in this allow payments by cash or check. I've kind of cheated the system a little bit by saying happy to accept VNM or PYPL. I'm going to put cash in there too, or there you go. We're not covering fees for our payers, because otherwise that's like a whole bunch of money coming out of our account. Customized payer receipt, you can say, thanks so much for supporting, my daughter's name, Amalea. Thanks for supporting Amalea this cookie season. There you go. Continue. And then here is the link that you will be able to share. And what I will do is, whenever I create a Cheddar Up for your daughter, I will just edit the link to make sure that it says 61513 Girl Scout Cookies virtual booth Juliet Haley.cheddarup.com. We will have, for girls that don't have initial orders placed, we're going to have a Girl Scout like troop booth as well, so that those girls can try and sell cookies from our troop booth stock as well. So all you would do is just copy the link and be able to send an email to your friends and family. Um, the other thing that I like to do is in the build section, I like to just copy and paste um, this area and put it into an email along with my link. That way, when you're sending an email to friends or whatever, um, you can have all of the text in one place. Okay, there's also, when you become a manager, there are little take a quick tours so that you can get little help from the actual Cheddar Up system, and I'm happy to support your endeavors with this system since it's a new one for you. So let me know. Okay.